Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just my everyday makeup routine. It's like 6 o'clock p.m. and I decided I was going to do it because I got a package in the mail and I'm excited to test it out and see how well they work. I got some makeup brushes from Do Color and I'm so excited because oh my gosh, their brushes are just so gorgeous. So I picked out this whole set right here. It's a 16-piece set. They're so soft. I already opened it up because I wanted to have it all ready to go while I made my video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. If you guys are interested in trying out these brushes, I'll link them down below. Do Color, I believe that's how you pronounce it. But they're pretty affordable, and as far as I can tell, they seem like they're pretty good quality. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give them a go and just do my normal makeup routine. I brought my little bag up here. Hopefully the lighting is good enough. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna prime my face. Gotta always prime. I have eyelash extensions right now, so I haven't been doing anything crazy on my eyes lately. I've also been like trying to get a little bit of color before I go to Florida. Hashtag 6 weeks away. Too far, too far. They didn't give me a beauty blender. I'm sure I could use any of these for like foundation, but I'm gonna just use my beauty blender just cause I love it. And I'm gonna use my, what foundation am I gonna use? My Sonia Keshuk. I have my Fenty Beauty, but my face is kind of dry right now and I need some moisture in my face, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go for more of a natural look today, even though, you know me, I am not that natural of a person, but I really wanted to get these brushes a first impression and let you guys know what I think of them. I'm so excited because they're adorable. They remind me of like a mermaid. They're so cute. So yeah, they came in a 16-piece set, and it looks like you can buy like bigger sets or just like individual brushes. You don't have to buy the full set if you don't want to. So if I end up liking a brush a lot in this video and you only want that brush, then I think you can go ahead and just like buy that specific brush. So I'm just gonna kind of fast forward my face up until I need a brush, and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so I am gonna just like set my under eye, and I'm gonna just, what brush do I want to try for my under eye? I think I'm gonna try this one. This is, I don't know if I wanna try that one, because I definitely wanna try this one for highlighter. This is the 03. So maybe I'll do this one. This is the 02 brush. It's kind of like a dense packing brush, which I think is going to be good, especially for my under eye. Yeah, be good. Then it can just set for a minute. Okay, these brushes are so soft. Like right off the bat, I can tell that they're really soft. The only thing that I would say that I would ever be worried about with like cheaper brushes, these aren't cheap like by any means. Like I think this set was like $40, which I mean could be cheap, but also it could be like drugstore, you know what I mean? So I think this is a good set. The only thing that I would be worried about is like if this part up here would like come off like a normal drugstore one. But that's like the only thing I would even say I'd be worried about. I can't tell that the bristles are like loose or anything. It just feels really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face just with this big fluffy one right here. This is the 01. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So soft. I usually pat, but this one's like really fluffy, so oh, that feels so good. Like this is probably the softest brush I now own. I'm excited that I own it. First impression, going good. These are seriously so soft. Like, I'm blown away. Okay, so now that I'm kind of looking like a ghost over here, and I'm tan, because I've been trying to get tan, I should have chosen a darker foundation. We're gonna have to do some bronzing, which is good, because I've got a brush to go with some bronzer. I'm gonna use my Hoola Benefit bronzer that I usually use. I love this stuff, seriously, can't steer me wrong. I'm not gonna use the brush that goes with like I lied, I'm not gonna use this one because this is the whole reason I got this entire thing. Well, it's because of this guy. Look how freaking cute this is. It doesn't even have a number on this one, but it looks like the NARS one. I think that's what it is, the NARS like bronzer brush. Okay, this is the one that I'm using because it kind of reminds me of this one that I used, the little mini one. I'm so excited, I forgot about this one. Okay, so big. But it's so soft. Like, how do you use it? Because I've never used like a big one like this. But I always see like Kathleen Lights using the big ones. Okay, I love this. Love. And then I'm gonna do some blush. I'm gonna go into my Pure Bronze and Brighten, and I'm just gonna use this angled brush that could probably be used for bronzer as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of blush. Again, this is the 11. I didn't say what this was, so I don't know why I said again. But, okay, this blush may look intimidating, but it is bomb, and it's really, like, it's not like shimmery, but it has like a nice sheen to it. So it just looks so good. This is a brush that I've been really excited to try out. This is the 03 brush. And I'm just gonna add some highlighter out of that Pure palette. You can never have enough highlighter. I love this. I've been dying to have a brush like this because I've always used the same one. I always use this one right here, this Real Techniques one. I'm excited to have a different brush. I've been so excited to get this package in the mail. Okay, so I'm loving that. I also have like a little spoolie in here. So I'm gonna hurry and do my brows really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, pause. This spoolie is bomb. Like, it reminds me of the Ania. It reminds me of the Anastasia. And I love it. I'm not gonna go crazy on my eyebrows because it's just kind of like a natural little glow of a look today. And I have my eyelash extensions, so I don't feel like I have to wear like a ton. I'm just gonna add some gloss on my lips. Okay, guys, final verdict on these Dew Color brushes. I love, like, I'm not kidding you guys. First impression, you saw what I thought. They're awesome, and I'm excited to try them out. So if you guys are interested, check the description box below, and I'll have the information if you guys are interested. So yeah, I like them. I'm excited to try them out. You guys will see them in some future videos. So there you have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.